Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to use the Watchlist feature effectively in the Ant web trading application. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Ant web trading platform. Here, on the left side, we can see a feature called the Watchlist. A watchlist is used when you want to monitor and track a stock's performance closely, but you don't want to buy it right away. For this, a watchlist offers us a bunch of important features, which we'll be covering in this video. So make sure to stick till the end. Firstly, to add any stock to the watchlist, you just have to search for it and click on this button. And there you go. It's added to the list. You are free to add multiple stocks to the watchlist, like this. From the watchlist, you get the options for buying the stock, selling the stock, analyzing its chart, and you can even see the bid amount, the number of orders being placed, the quantity being bought and sold, basically all the essential details about a stock at a glance. Now if you click on this More Options, we'll get to see a drop-down menu containing all of these options. Let's go through them one by one. Stick left or right pins the stock card to either the left or the right side of the watchlist window. Now this exists because we can add multiple stocks to the watchlist. But it is possible that we might have one or two stock which we want to monitor at all times in priority. For example, this one is Axis Bank EQ. So if I pin this to the left side, it sticks to the left side. Similarly, if I do it for the right side, it sticks to the right side. Next, we have the info section. As the name suggests, it provides all the essential stock details at a glance, like the price range, the tick size, the minimum and maximum quantity we can buy, and the start date. Next, we have the GTT or Good Till Triggered Order. Say, if you want to buy or sell a stock when it hits a specific price, but you don't want to watch the market constantly, then you can create a buy or sell GTT. This allows you to place automated orders that remain active until they're triggered by that specific price level which you set. Following the GTT, we have the option chain. Now this one opens the option chain data for this stock and shows all available call and put contracts. It is basically for option traders who want to analyze different strike prices, expiry dates, open interest, etc. Next, we have another important feature, alert. If you want to set a specific condition, the alert will notify you when your condition is met, saving you from having to monitor the market constantly. All you need to do is set the name of the alert, search for the stock, give a range, and set the price. As soon as the condition is met, you will get an alert on all of your active devices. Next, we have the fundamentals and technicals. If you're an investor and want to assess whether the stock is undervalued, overvalued, or fundamentally strong before investing, you should definitely check out the fundamental section. It will show you the SWOT analysis, the stats, the P&L statement, shareholdings, financials, deals, and corporate communications of the company. The technical section, on the other hand, will be beneficial for traders making short-term decisions. We can see features like the moving average, support and resistance, price change analysis, delivery and volume, which again is quite beneficial for short-term traders looking to spot entry and exit points for a stock. Lastly, we have the delete multiple option. If you have selected multiple stocks and want to delete a couple of them or all of them at once, you can select this option. Conversely, if you want to delete a single stock from the watch list, you can click on this button. With that, we reach the end of this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Alice Blue's YouTube channel to never miss out on any such videos from us. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.